So here's the hourly forecast for Coriolis, Pennsylvania. So this is the daily forecast we're going across there right now. There's currently a special weather statement in effect. See right here. So you should see what this special weather statement reads right here. Yep, okay, this is the radar. There's some storms moving around. See that blue dot? Right there? Got my hands on. That's a blue dot, that's where we are at. This is the hourly forecast. You didn't get to see the whole entire hourly forecast, so we're still doing the hourly forecast of the forecast. Yeah, this is screen record on a my iPhone, and have me on to my computers that goes to like your cameras that goes to my green screen back here. That right now. Special weather statement again. It's not a normal special weather statement. This is a severe thunderstorm special weather statement.
Tattooed chef. I didn't want her to think for a single second that erectile dysfunction had anything to do with how much I loved her, how beautiful I think she is, and
up there goes the air conditioner. Don't mind that noise, it's an air conditioner. There it is, it's coming. The storms are coming to across the radar. It's coming right there. Peace.